That's not all. We also about to pull this MPP fuse. Let's see what this MPP fuse hype is about. Look at that beauty. Look at that thing. What we got here, y'all? So, what you want to do is when you pull the MPP fuse, you come straight right here. Boom, boom, 15. Say right there. I'm sorry if you can't see it. The F1, that's the exhaust valve. We pulling that one. All right, boom, it's gone. Oops, we upside down. All right.
Put it over here, Taz?
Yeah. All right, so now we cut the new plate, and we just did MPP delete. So let's see. I pulled the fuse, so you about to see how much louder the cold start is now. So it shouldn't be significantly louder, but now it should be loud all the time, because when you got the MPP, even when you send that idle and you rev it in track mode, the valves don't open up all the way. So even when I'm driving, when you get above 60, 70 miles per hour, the valves still close like halfway. So now they're gonna stay open at all times. So we gonna see, man. Oh no, this is a fraud. This don't work. This don't work. It's still quiet. Oh, this don't work, y'all. This don't work. I'm disappointed. I ain't gonna lie. This is a disappointment. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We about to drive with it, see if it make a difference. It still sound the same. We got to see if this thing got any louder. Honestly, I don't see the difference. Honestly, no, because the MPP valves, they won't go in quiet mode now. So let's see. Sound pretty much the same to me. Much the same. Nothing different. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. Don't do it. Save you some time. I mean, if you want to do it just for the heck of it, do it. But I guess I haven't drove up in the higher RPMs yet, the higher speeds. But as of right now, it's not worth it. So we're gonna see. Maybe I'm gonna drive around with it a little bit, see if I notice any differences, driving faster and all that kind of stuff. About to sit here and geek this up either. I really just don't hear nothing. I feel like you just want it louder and you don't want the MPP. Just get you an exhaust that doesn't have the MPP function. Honestly. Yeah, this is yeah. It ain't the best. I really just don't. Nothing for me, y'all. It's not doing anything. sorry for that, y'all. You know, hey, at least I tested out for y'all. Everybody that be on the internet making all these videos is making a big difference stuff. It's not. It's really not. I mean, to them it might, but I'm telling you now, like, it honestly is not making a difference. I'm in track mode, so yep, I'm in track mode and all of it, no difference. So I'm actually about to get the car washed and I'll get some more footage for you guys. Okay, y'all, so I got the sunroof up. I'm gonna roll the window down a little bit. Let's see. I don't hear nothing, y'all. I guess you're just keeping the valves open all the way. So it just like it just don't get back quiet. So I guess that's what people fixed. Like, it's cool. It's cool. There's nothing wrong with it. I guess it just keeps the valves from closing, so it just don't get completely silent on you. Cause I did notice this. Like when I'm stepping on it now, I'm going like 70 miles per hour. When I step on it, it's just still loud. Like usually you won't even hear it. Like, but yeah, I'm getting rid of the exhaust altogether anyway, so that won't be a problem pretty soon. I mean, yeah, still sound good. All right, y'all, it's a little loud in here, but you know, I'm driving and I'm noticing like even at the higher RPMs, you can hear it though. So it's worth it. It's worth it, and then if you're doing it to make your car louder, it's not worth it. But if you hate when the car quiets down after a while, it's really worth it. Okay. So I'll take that back what I said earlier. So it's worth it, and it's not. It's good for temporary until you do something with your exhaust. So there you go.
Perfect.